folks, this is Adam from 911 Reviews. Today we've got a fun one for you, and it's going to be about hair loss. And how is my hair? Is it looking thin? No? Good, because it used to look way too thin. A lot of videos, I'd sit up on the screen like this so you couldn't see how thin my hair was. But then I started taking some supplements that really make a difference, and I'm gonna tell you all the different things that I use on my hair to keep it full, healthy, shiny, and whatnot. So stick around. First off, we're gonna talk about this. Now, all of our products today come from Kera Health, K-E-R-A Health. And I'm actually surprised they let me test these out, and I'm gonna be one of their first male reviewers. And I'm actually a big fan. This is their supplement. These are types of supplements that I've read all sorts about. I know everything about, so I'm gonna do my best to briefly cover each. Now, the supplement, the ingredients start with niacin and vitamin B6. Now, niacin and vitamin B6, these are supplements that essentially increase the blood flow to your hair. So the hair that you have can grow full, it doesn't die, your hair doesn't fall out, that sort of thing. Next ingredient is 1,000% of your biotin. Now, what is biotin? I'm sure you all know this, but it's the stuff that make up your nails, your skin, and your hair. So it's essentially the building block to good skin, hair, and nails. And if you really want shiny, clean nails, if you want strong, thick nails, biotin supplement is something you're gonna want to take. And I've been taking a biotin supplement and some coconut oil for years, and it really does make a difference. I'm gonna do my best to pronounce this correctly. Pantothenic acid, that's basically vitamin B5. So what does B5 do? Well, that is, they've shown that hair loss in a lot of people is a result of a lack of B5. They don't have enough, a deficiency, and their hair starts getting thinner. So I strongly recommend a supplement that has that. And this one supplement has all of it. It also has zinc, and that's another one that it's not so much that it builds hair, but a lack of zinc causes your hair to fall out. So it's got 250% of your pantothenic acid and 82% of your zinc that keeps your hair from falling out. So if you've had some hair loss, make sure you're getting these supplements. One of the other main ingredients in here is 178% of your daily allowance of copper. Now, why do you want copper? Copper is actually something for hair color. You will lose pigment if you don't have enough copper in your diet. So strong, healthy hair, you gotta be taking in the right things into your body. And I'm a firm believer, if you eat protein, you build muscle. If you take in copper, it helps the hair color. There's all sorts of different things you should be doing. Now, there's also hydrolysed keratin. I apologize. Not great at pronouncing that, but what that does, it makes your hair follicles thicker, and it has 500 milligrams of that, as well as having pine trunk extract and grapeseed extract. All these things are the key building blocks to great and strong hair. So I'll go ahead and put an Amazon link in the description below, but certainly part of the reason to keep your hair healthy, shiny, thick, and not falling out, keep all the blood going into your scalp that it should, is taking the right supplements. And this, by God, is the right supplement. That being said, they have also sent me shampoo and conditioner. This is Follicle Hero Conditioner. It nourishes and densifies skin, as well as Follicle Hero shampoo, which nourish, strengthen, densify your hair and skin. So essentially, clinically tested ingredients include, it says keratin health supplements, 2 capsules, Follicle Hero shampoo, etc., etc. So this includes, keratin, biotin, and coconut oil. Now again, biotin, those building blocks to your hair, you're gonna want that to just make the hair on your head be as built as strong as possible. Coconut oil is actually one, if you notice, I've done pushes, promotions, talking about, I use it in my real life, is a product called Coco Skin Plus that has biotin and coconut oil. Now that's a supplement. This is the coconut oil that you can put directly onto your hair as shampoo. Do the research, look at it, but when you look at coconut oil, it is great for your skin, nails, and hair. And same thing with keratin. Again, the basic building blocks there of your hair and nails. This one, as a conditioner, keratin, biotin, and coconut oil. So all the key things that you need for the healthiest, happiest, and most beautiful hair around, right here, right for you. Let's see if we can get a thumbnail. And it's pretty awesome. The other thing they did send me, and I haven't used it yet, is this. It's a little bit of a massager that you can massage their product into your hair and really get, that feels pretty amazing. I don't know why they don't make, wow, I might have to get this during a massage. But this will help get all those ingredients deep into your hair in the shower, and it just feels really nice. Maybe a good beard will do that, right? So anyway, folks, this is a fantastic set of products. Get all of them together, all 4 items together to really put your hair at its peak condition. And you know, I didn't even think about hair taking the right supplements being a thing until one time I watched the world's beard contest, whoever had the best beard, and the guy who won it just had a cabinet of biotin and keratin and coconut oil and all the key things. He wanted to make sure he took a vitamin A supplement, or a vitamin B6 supplement, and a B5 supplement, all the things that you can get right here in one package. You want to make sure you get your niacin, get those blood vessels really flowing. And guys, let me tell you, I want to stress this, and I can't stress it enough. It is important for men, guys, to also take a hair supplement. Women take it and they've got this beautiful mane of hair, and we just neglect our hair, right? We don't do the things that we need to do to look good. And let's face it, we don't have a lot of hair, but we want it to be thick and youthful and decent looking. I can use this almost as a brush, right? So anyway, folks, very easy to use. Boom, boom, just like that. Very nice. I will put links in the description below. They also sent me a little bit of a sample pack. So this is called the 4-step 360 hair health plan for daily use. You take the supplement, you clean, you nourish, and you stimulate. Stimulate! So take 2 capsules, shampoo, condition, and massage your scalp. And the other thing that when you do use the shampoo, if you haven't used it before, it makes, in my opinion, it makes your scalp kind of tingle, which is pretty awesome. When I've used this for an extended period of time, the tingling kind of calms down a little bit, but there is just kind of a clean in your, I don't want to say your pores, but in your, the root of your hair. You can just really feel it get clean, get all that dirt and grime out of your hair. It's a real life-changing experience. So anyway, folks, absolutely worth $1. These things will last you quite a while. You can see it's a big bottle. You've got 8.4 fluid ounces. That's 1/4 of a liter. It's clinically tested and proven. And yeah, it's distributed out of Europe, made in the USA, et cetera, et cetera. And you know, I tried my best to give you the rundown on these supplement ingredients. If I said anything wrong, go ahead, leave me a comment below. If you plan to buy this, you're interested in buying this, or you're researching it, you're gonna buy it in the future, leave us a comment so our sponsors, this is a sponsored video, can, so they know what we're up to and know that we're producing sales for them. It always helps, and I do appreciate it. I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. If you get a chance, click like. If you click the subscribe button, also click the notification bell, be part of the notification squad to be part of the team whenever a new video comes out and be the first to comment. First. All right, folks, thanks for watching Adam 911 Reviews. Click like, subscribe. We have new videos all the time, and adios, amigos.